Okay, let's see. Oh, it's a cylinder. Okay, what must be the angular velocity? So we're solving for L. Well, ultimately, we're going to solve this thing for, I'm sorry, we're going to solve for omega. Okay, this is what we want, right? Okay, but first we need to know what the I is, right? So I, since it's a cylinder, right? I is 1/2 mr squared, so it's 1/2 22.4 kilograms. And then that's the radius, so we can use it. 0.54 squared is equal to, so 0.5 times 22.4, that's like my favorite number, times 0.54 squared. What is that? Wow, that's quite large. 3.26592, and that's kilogram meters squared. Is that all we need to know? Oh, okay, so this is our L, right? So let's plug this in. So L is this, 450 kilogram is equal to I, which is this. Times omega. Okay, so 450 divided by that is equal to 100, so omega ends up being 137.786 radians per second. Yeah, or about 140 with 2 sig figs, okay? Yeah, all right.